So guys, look at how lovely this plantain punch is. The ripe and green plantain punch. Nice. Hey guys, today I'm making plantain punch and here's what I'm using. I have 4 plantains here, 2 ripe plantains as you can see there, and 2 green ones. I have some coconut strip right here, grated nutmeg, vanilla, cinnamon powder, some almond flavor, evaporated milk, rum, sugar, nutriment, supplement, condensed milk, and some Irish mush. And I'm just gonna show you step by step how I'm gonna get this done. So guys, let's go. So guys, I'm gonna start by adding some green plantains to my blender. We're gonna add both green and ripe, but for now we're just adding the green ones first. And look how pretty they are, guys. I'm gonna add some ripe ones now, guys. And if you never add this drink before, you should make it the green and ripe plant mixture, and it just combine into one, and it's the plantain drink. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add some liquid stuff to this, like some evaporated milk, condensed milk for sweetening, some dragon, nutriment, some Irish mush, supplement. Guys, you see this combination right here? You know this ain't nothing normal right here. Vanilla for flavor, some grated nutmeg, almond flavor, cinnamon powder. And guys, you know I'm coming in with the bad boy. I'm coming in with some rum. Guys, you know this drink ain't normal. Now I'm going to cover my blender. And I'm going to start the blending process. Guys, look at this. Look how lovely this mixture is. Look at this, guys. So guys, I'm gonna look into this. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt to this, guys. My God, guys, you should really smell this when I open this blender. Look at this, guys. You see how thick and lovely this is? This is not the final of it because I'm gonna make sure everything is blended out properly. Guys, look at the beauty of this. You can tell how lovely this plantain punch is. That is guys, look at the texture and the quality of this punch right here. You should really try this. Make sure you try this and come back and tell me how it is. So guys, I'm just gonna pour it in this jar right here. And I'm gonna make a second blend. That's just the first one. Guys, look at this. Look at the beauty of this. Look at this. Look in this jar right here. Look how lovely this is. Guys, you should really make this punch. So here guys, I'm doing another amount. I'm repeating the same steps, same process. Condensed milk sweetening, vanilla, cinnamon powder, grated nutmeg, the good old white rum. Guys, I have to put some strong liquor in this, or if you don't drink rum, you don't have to put any in there. Let's put that out there. You don't have to put any in there. That's some dragon. This is some nutriment, suppletion, some Irish mush. And guys, we're going to repeat the process of making another set. I'm gonna get this refined a little more, guys. So guys, we got that look how thick and nice that is, guys. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour it out in the jar that's over. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is one lovely punch right here. That's for sure. Guys, I'm going to pour this out in this container. I'm going to see how thick and nice this is. So guys, look at this. Look how lovely this is, guys. So guys, I've added some ice to this and I'm just going to crush it. So guys, this is very cool and nice right now. Guys, look at that. Look how rich and creamy and nice that is. Guys, if I did not tell you that this is plantain drink, I know you would not know. So look at how lovely this is. This one is cool and nice, as you can see. That is so lovely. So guys, look at this lovely plantain punch right here. Look at this, guys. This is some lovely plantain punch right here. And these are some coconut strips. So guys, you know this is nice all over. Look at how lovely this. Look at how lovely this plantain punch. Lovely plantain punch, guys.